Welcome to this video on mastering desoldering. Perfect desoldering is achieved when you master the 3 core techniques. The goal is simple: remove unwanted solder and protect the circuit board from damage. Remember the golden rule: add fresh solder to melt the old solder. Fresh solder improves heat transfer and makes removal easier. Method 1 is the solder wick. This braided copper wick uses capillary action to absorb liquid solder. It is best used for small, surface mount components. To use the wick, match its size to the solder glob. Press a hot iron over the wick and wait for capillary action to absorb the solder. Always lift the iron and wick together. The wick freezes instantly. Trim the waste with flush cutters. Method 2 is the solder sucker. This pump uses a spring vacuum to remove liquid solder and is excellent for through-hole components. First, lock the vacuum plunger. Then, melt the old joint. Seal the nozzle over the liquid solder and press the trigger button to vacuum the solder. If a hole remains blocked, never pull stuck components. Instead, refill the hole with fresh solder and repeat the vacuum process until it clears. Method 3 is the desoldering gun, which heats and vacuums simultaneously. This is the most efficient method for high-volume work. To use it, add fresh solder to the nozzle. Move the tip in a small circle for about 5 seconds to ensure the solder is molten, and then pull the trigger. Here is a quick summary of the 3 tools, what they are best for, and the mechanism they use for desoldering. 3 key takeaways. Add liquid solder to improve heat transfer. Act quickly while the solder is completely molten, and never force stuck components. With the right tools and these techniques, you are now equipped to achieve perfect desoldering results. Your next step is cleaning the circuit board to remove any remaining flux residue.